Hi friends, welcome back to another informative video. In this video, I am going to discuss about a static GK topic that is world famous national monuments of major countries. The monument and the country. Let's start. Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. Great Wall of China in China. Pyramid, Giza, Egypt. Taj Mahal, Agra, India. Kremlin, Moscow, Russia. Imperial Palace, Tokyo, Japan. Opera House, Sydney, Australia. Eiffel Tower, Paris, France. Statue of Liberty, New York, USA. Kinderdisc, Denmark. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Machu Picchu, Peru. Tuge Negare, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The Great Phoenix, Giza, Egypt. I think this video is informative for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel JJ Pathfind for more informative video. Now goodbye and Jai Hind.